Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 9 Malls review. An unusual review today. It's the Kitty Kitchen Timer. This thing is really popular. It has 1,425 reviews on Amazon, which is really high for a single product. This thing was $6. Right now, it's $4.99 prime shipping. So anyone that likes cats in your life would probably be interested in this. It's Kikkerland Kitchen Timer Cat Multicolor. So Kikkerland Kitchen Timer. And let me just read you some reviews. And you can get different animals. So it says, love the creepy eyes. That's one. If it had one job, it couldn't do that. So some people are saying it's not working exactly. Most people say it works. One says no functioning bell. Very cute, but sadly both times I bought this item I returned due to the bell not working. So a lot of mixed reviews. Let's try it out, see if it actually lives up to those reviews, whether it's a good item or a bad item. Who knows? But this is kind of a cool product, especially for those who like cats. I think any cat lover would probably appreciate this. It'd probably make a good gift. So here it is. It's, you know, it's not really light, but it's not, you know, it has some weight to it. So there it is, just a hard plastic cat. And let me read the back here. So 60-minute timer. Instruction, turn timer clockwise at 60-minute mark, then counterclockwise back to desired set time. Alright, so let's test it out. Just alright, I'm going to set it for less than a minute so you can watch this kitty cat timer work. Alright, there we go. That's what it sounds like. The bell rang. It kind of had enough force to kind of move around on the table here. So yeah, it worked great. You can hear the clicking noise even after the bell rings. There's still a little bit of time with this timer clicking, and then it kind of gradually dissipates. So it just takes a little bit of time. So it's getting quieter and quieter. So yeah, let's try that one more time, just so you can see it once again. Alright, put it on a little bit less. There we go. Alright, there we go. So do I recommend the Kitty Kitchen Timer by Kikkerland? The answer is yes. I think this is a very reasonably priced item. It's $4.99. If it's not for yourself, I think it would make a great gift. Some people were saying the bell didn't work, but I mean, if it doesn't work, just send it back. This is a name brand company. Just send it back. Keep sending it back until you find one that does work. $4.99, I would say just give it a try. It's not going to break the bank. It's pretty reasonably priced. The only downside I'd say is the build quality of this thing. There's a little bit of seam right here. It's a little bit, you know, it's not completely gray on top. There's a little bit of white. And then the eye, I mean, there's a little bit of white speck right there, not completely black. There's kind of some blemishes on the plastic, blemishes on the nose. So, you know, it's a decent item, and this is just hard plastic. But you know, the bell is nice. It's got some, you know, it's loud enough so you can hear it. And yeah, so $4.99. I'd say go for it if this is an item that interests you. It seems like a lot of people like this product. I mean, it's not every day that an item gets over 1,400 reviews. So I do recommend the Kitty Kitchen Timer by Kikkerland. So thanks for watching my videos. If you like them, please subscribe. And if you want to support them, you can go to patreon.com/9malls. Alright, thanks for watching.